Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your business to six figures and beyond. Wow. So we are still in the buying season, and I want to make sure that almost every video I do is all about what you can do to win a contract now. We're in the fourth quarter. We're heading into what now? August. We have, August, September 30th. So we really want to focus on it. Now, there are a couple of agencies that have money, and we want to make sure that we shout them out. I know that there is Health and Human Services have money for small businesses, and there are, let's see, GSA has money. There is the Department of Army. So those are just a few that actually have money. Now, what you're looking at is one of the things we want to focus on is when we are ready to make money in Govcon, we need to know, are we nailing down our Naics code so we can really hone in on what we need to do. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my screen. As you can see, I'm going to go into a couple of things you can do. Hopefully you can win a contract like one of our students, Jerome. Jerome just won a $166,000 contract for 4 months. And he did it. This is the second one by really, really, really honing in on what he had to offer. He wasn't all everywhere. So one of the things we want to do is go to SBA, or we want to go to datahub.certified.sba.gov. So datahub.certified.sba.gov. So it's going to come to the Small Business Data Hub, which is where we want to find one of the best ways to win a contract is to find what a previous contract or who's winning. So we want to focus on small business dollars. And when we look at that, we can see in the blue that up to 2022, I just gave you a snapshot of this. You can see who is winning the most. So if we scroll down, we can see what agency or what small business dollars that are actually going the furthest. And we see that definitely 178,000, I mean 178 trillion is gone to, or billion has gone to the dollars. So I'm going to go with, billion, 178 billion, not trillion. So 178 billion with a B has gone to small businesses like yours. So now we know that small businesses are winning more. That means that, and this is exactly the set aside that my student won. Drone was a small business set aside, not a woman owned, not a hub zone, not 8A, any of that. So now you know that everyone can qualify as a small business. And this is good news because that means that they're winning. Now, what's the next thing? You want to look at winning something locally. That's always the best way because then you can reach out on LinkedIn, like I've talked about, connect with someone because LinkedIn is definitely in your local area. So let's take a look at top vendors. We're going to use 2023 because we're in 2024. We're looking for small businesses. If you later want to look at small disadvantaged business dollars, woman-owned hub, or small disadvantaged veteran-owned small business, 8A, there you go. Then we're going to look for the state. I'm going to go with the state of Virginia. So we're going to click on and find our state. I am going to scroll down and look at the state of Virginia because I am in Virginia. So I'm in the DMV area, DC, Maryland, Virginia. And I'm going to click on to Virginia now. Then I can click on counties. So I can choose what county, I can be real specific and choose what county I'm looking for. I am going to leave it with no county. I'm just going to leave it there. And then I am going to now scroll down here. Let's see if I can bring this here. And I can choose next codes. So that's always important. So I'm going to scroll down here and choose the next code. Okay. And when I scroll down here and I choose the next code, then the next thing is looking at what dollars being spent for that next code. So now I'm looking for 561 and I'm going to go with administrative services and I'm going to go here. So now I am looking for administrative services in the state of Virginia for small dollars. So I see the top funding offices are listed right here. Then I can see how much they've spent, and I can then look at the agencies that are actually spending money. And then I can go one further and look at the top vendors. Now I can do several things here. And then I love it because I can look at their UEI, the vendor, the total number of dollars, and where it's being spent. So I can look up their UEI right here so I can find contracts that have been awarded. Now, there's several things I can do. I always like to say, if I needed money right now, what would I do with this information? Well, one, I'm going to start getting busy on reaching out. I have my script. I'm ready to go. I'm reaching out because my goal is to give them to do like a no bid, where I don't have to bid. They're going to send me a scope of work, like I've shared many a times with you on YouTube, where you actually get those no bid, and it's just basically because you've done your due diligence. You know what agency, you know what NAICS codes are being won in that agency, the dollar amount, the top vendors. All of that is what you need to know. You need to be armed with the best information in order to give them very little to do to say, here, I want to give you the scope of work and I want you to send an informal bid. We'll take a look at it, and then we will look and see if your numbers look good, or they may give you the amount of money and actually tell you, this is what we're looking for. Can you do it within the scope of work for that amount of money? So make sure that you look top vendors. You might be able to do some subcontracting for someone. I love this because it narrows everything down. It gives me all of the information, the dollar amount, the top funding agencies that are actually doing contracts. So utilize this, use it, and get busy winning. So now, if you want to know more, I'm giving you the what I call the high level. If you want the eye level, make sure you come to my Govcon Lunch and Learn, where I give you so much more information. Click the link in the description to get started. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.